This is a brand new 2013 Lincoln MKZ. It features a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a power moonroof, cooled driver and passenger seats, 11 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, an intercooled turbocharger, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, a passenger side vanity mirror, front side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, an auto dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Nick Mayer Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 24400 Center Ridge Road in Westlake.